The package includes installation tools, adapter cable and LED strip. Let's install this LED strip first. This light strip is installed to this reading light position. First, we'll use this pry bar to remove this small cover. This cover is fully snap fit. We use this pry bar. Gently push it like this. Then can remove the cover. Then use this screwdriver to unscrew the 2 small screws. The third step on both sides. As a snap locked, we'll use this screwdriver. Push the buckle inwards and downwards. This side is off. It's the same this side. Press down with a little force. This light can be taken off. Next, this ambient light. Put it on. Next, let's see how to wire the cable. We first need to remove this cover. This cover is secured with clips. Hold both sides with hands and pull downward. Then can take it off. Then this power cable can go through this position. Use a little force to pull it downwards. Then can cross it from here. Next, let's first reinstall this light. First, fix the clips on. When you fix it, a little force is needed. Press it back down with force. Then take the extension cable. For this extension cable, there are many of plugs. We'll get this end. Take a plug, that cable. Get through here. Plug it in like this. The power cable. Can stuff it in the gaps of ceiling. Stuff it in from here. Can hide the power cable here. This cable goes around from above. When we get to a pillar, turn around here. All the way from this a pillar. Get to this position. We can use this pry bar. Stuff it in like this. Push it inwards. When we got to this turn around here, it can still be hidden inside this gap. Then turn around from the side. Then you can wrap it up inside this rubber strip. Go down that way. To the bottom, we need to connect to passenger side footlight. There's a cover under the passenger seat. There is a clips on each side. Rotate the buckle. The cover can be removed. Then take this module and the adapter cable. We need to disconnect the footlight socket. Pull it out. Then take this adapter cable. Plug this end to original footlight socket. Make a transfer. The black end. Plug it back to original footlight. The footwell light will not be affected. Plug the white plug in. This control box. Plug it in. And this LED strip. This small plug. Plug it to the control box socket. Any one of them is okay. Now let's plug it in. Then, the ambient light is turned on. Next, let's look at the effect. It looks like original ambient light. This is almost can't see any signs of modification. That's very high end. Its lighting is very soft. It's not glaring like the ambient lighting on the windshield. And this ambient lighting. Same lighting colors. These colors can be synchronized. Our ambient light color change. Let's try a different color. Change to red. The color changed instantly. The atmosphere is really strong. We can turn off the light. Let's see the effect at night. This is evening effect. Very high end. Its lighting. It's really very gentle. Not dazzling at all. When you install this reading light, it's really much more advanced. And this version. This light. They are all well proportioned. You can see there are no traces of breakage. It really feels like it original. The same effect. Very high end. Especially when installed front windshield like ambient lighting and ambient lights under the large screen. This full our entire car interior. The atmosphere is absolutely amazing. If anyone needs the same style of this reading ambient light,